In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Salesforce Data Import Wizard in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing customer information or tracking new business leads, the Data Import Wizard is an essential tool that makes it easy to get your data into Salesforce without a hitch. To get started first, you'll need to log into Salesforce with your credentials. It's important to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to perform data imports. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. This icon represents the Setup menu. Click on it, and in the search bar provided, type in Data Import Wizard. This search should bring up the tool quickly, allowing you to navigate directly to it. After you've opened the Data Import Wizard, you'll see an option labeled Import My Data. Click on that and then hit Start. This initiates the process and brings you to a screen where you can choose what type of data or object you want to import. Salesforce supports several different objects, like leads, accounts, and contacts. Select the object that matches the data you want to import. Next, you'll need a CSV file ready to go on your computer. Choose I have a CSV file and then click Next to proceed. Ensure that your CSV file is properly formatted and contains all the relevant data that you wish to import. Once you've prepared your file, go ahead and upload it. After you've uploaded the CSV file, click Next. Now comes an important part of the process, mapping the fields. Field mapping is essentially telling Salesforce how the columns in your CSV file relate to the fields in Salesforce. Take your time here to ensure everything is aligned correctly. Proper field mapping is crucial for maintaining the integrity and accuracy of your data. Once you've checked and double-checked your mappings, you're ready to proceed. Now you click Import. Salesforce will begin the process and you'll be notified once it's complete. Depending on the size of your data, this might take a few moments, but generally it's quite swift. Remember, the Data Import Wizard is a powerful feature within Salesforce designed to simplify the importing process, so don't be afraid to utilize it for all your data importing needs. In just a few simple steps, we've imported data into Salesforce using the Data Import Wizard. This user-friendly tool is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their data management processes. Thank you for watching and happy importing.